Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to style rich text elements in Webflow CMS. Styling rich text elements in Webflow CMS is essential when you're working with dynamic content, like blog posts, articles, or case studies. Unlike regular text blocks, a rich text element allows you to manage structured content, such as headings, paragraphs, lists, images, quotes, and links, all within one field connected to your CMS collection. To begin, open your Webflow project and navigate to a collection template page. We chose Style Guide for now. Then click on the plus button and drag a rich text element onto the canvas and connect it to the appropriate rich text field from your CMS collection. Once connected, it will automatically pull in dynamic content for each item in that collection. To style the content inside the rich text element, you don't edit the text directly on the static page. Instead, you click inside the rich text element and select specific elements like a heading, paragraph, or list. Then use the Style panel on the right to apply typography settings, spacing, colors, or layout adjustments. For example, click on a heading 1 inside the rich text element, then assign it a class. We'll name it as rich text in this case. Once you style that class, all heading 1 elements within that rich text field will follow the same design. Now we're going to select a tag, which is all H3 headings in this case. So when you make changes to edit that rich text, it will also make change to all H3 headings in that page. So to only edit the element in that rich text, we'll first select the tag, then click on the plus button, which reads Nest Selector inside of rich text. Now only the elements in that rich text will only be edited. As you can see, the color change was only applied to that rich text only, and not to other headings in the entire page. So the hack here is clicking on the Add button which says Nest Selector inside of that style. Properly styling rich text elements ensures your dynamic content looks clean, professional, and aligned with your brand design without having to redesign every individual CMS item. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.